So here's all our cants. There's 4x6 oak, and here's 4x6 soft maple, hard maple. There's 4x4 ash. Some more ash and soft maple. More ash and soft maple, 4x6. Oak behind. Here's all the poplar cants, poplar tulip, 6x6s. So here's a bunch of logs that come in. So there's soft maple. Logs buried in the snow there. They've been coming in so fast we haven't had time to put them away. There's beech, white pine. Here's a load of red pine that came in. There's hemlock back there. These are all logs that got to be transferred to the main mill. So there's spruce back there. Here's 12-foot red pine, 10-foot red pine, 12-foot spruce, 8-foot aspen, another pile, 10-foot aspen, more 10-foot aspen, 14-foot aspen, 8-foot aspen, more 10-foot aspen. So all this lumber here is going to be made into pointed stakes. So there's 5/4 soft maple, 4/4 poplar. That's 4/4 white pine, the gray stuff. Here's our piled tight white oak, red oak. Select and better red oak. Here's 2 and 3 common red oak, white oak. It's 3 and better cherry. 5/4 beech. So these are all the pre-cuts. They get shipped out basically right away. So here's the log piles from the road from the main mill. And the log yard still goes behind all this, but you can just barely see the logs.